Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If today is the first time that you're watching one of my videos, hi, my name is Marylin Morales, aka M&M. So today's video, it will be all about my hair care. Now that I have this shade of color, and I, like you guys know from 2 videos before, I've been dyeing my hair this rose pink, and this is the Iron Permanent Cream hair color, and this is in the shade 8R-HM, and this is the shade that I've been using right here. But today will be the first time that I'm washing my hair and with this permanent color. So I wanted to share with you the products that I use to wash my hair. I don't like to process my hair too much, so I like to wash my hair at least once a week, and that is it. I rather just put my hair up in this type of bun. My hair is very dirty right now. And I want to make sure that I share all the information and all the details. So you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. We reach already the 200 mark, and I can't wait for what is to come for the future for this channel. So please subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, don't forget to click on that notification button. It will be should be somewhere around here, I think. That way, every time I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So if you would like to know what products I use for this hair right here, then keep on watching. Let's go. Alright, so the first product that I will be using, it will be my shampoo, and the brand that I like to use, and this has been since I've been a little girl. My mom used to wash my hair with this mane and tail, and I used to call these the horse shampoo because it has horses in the bottle, but this is a mane and tail. This will be the original mane and tail. And this brand that I like, it's a deep moisturizer, and this is the shampoo. The shampoo hydrates, intensifies for dried and damaged hair. Since I process my hair, especially to obtain this color, I did bleach my hair. So I want to make sure that I use something that I will nourish and bring anything that it was taking away, it will come back. So of course I will be using the conditioner from the same brand. So I'm using the Color Protect, and this is up to 8 weeks color vibrancy, because even though that this hair color is permanent, I still want to make sure that my hair stays very nourished and with the color vibrancy. And this is a revitalizant, protection from color, and this is for max color hold. So I would suggest also for the ladies that use like the semi-permanent, this will be a perfect brand for you guys. That way you can get anything that you need. Okay, so if let's say that I'm using iron products for my hair and to bleach and to process my hair, I want to keep it within the same family when it comes to the deep moisturizers. So I have the Iron Repair Solution Deep Daily Conditioning, Straighten and Moisturize Weak Damaged Hair. And this is an effective treatment, and this some of the products here, it says that it's a treatment that provides and intensify the strength and moisture of your hair. This can be used daily for damaged and weak hair with proteins, and leave your hair soft, stronger, and healthier looking. So this is the product right here. I'm just going to get it closer to the camera. And I think I paid like $2 with this for this product. And then I do blow dry my hair. And that's why I like to do my hair just once a week. And the product that I use for my heat protectant, this is from the IC Fantasy. This is a hair polish heat protector, straighten serum. And this will be the product right here that I like to use. So this will be for blow drying or for the straighteners. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and you guys, I'll be coming back when my hair is all set and done. I'll be using the products that I just showed you, and I'm going to keep my my effective care treatment from Iron for at least 20 minutes. That's the way at least I like to use it. And I'll see you guys in a few when my hair is all blow dried and everything else, because I'm going on a date with hubby. So I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, so this is how my hair is looking. My hair somehow faded just a little bit with the pink color, but I still like the way it's looking. The permanent hair on the end is still there, but it did fade. But I still have to remember that I did end up bleaching my hair, and that's what usually happens. I have like a salmon color on the top, and then on the ends I will have that rose pink from the iron. Right now, this is, I'm trying on a new Physicians Formula foundation, so I will do my review on this puppy right here, and that will be my next video, so stay tuned. It is a little bit lighter than my neck, but I made it work. But yeah, loving. My ends are very well. My hair, it's not damaged, and I like how shiny my hair is. So yeah, I do recommend the products that I use them every single time. So if you're looking for a product that it will be the best solution for you, and if you bleach a lot your hair, the products that I was talking about, the IM Repair and the Mane Tail shampoo and conditioner are the products that I use. And then to treat my hair, I do use this serum right here in order to protect from the heat. And I do not wash my hair every other day. I tend to wash my hair just once a week. That way I could let the oils on my scalp work on my behalf. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Stay beautiful, and I know that I love you so much. I'll see you guys. Nos vemos en la próxima. Bye bye.